Good morning, everyone. I want to do a brief summarized lecture that we did a little bit about last night. And the main thing I want to really talk about is our concept of Johari's window. Um, I want to briefly talk about that and kind of go over what it all means. You see, there's the four quadrants, and there are things that are known to us and known to others, and then there are things that are unknown to us and unknown to others. Um, when you when you look at Johari's window, this model was used in counseling, leadership, and team development, basically to help people understand themselves and improve communication with others. Hopefully, you will be able to understand your Johari window at the end of this video, and you'll be able to understand its four quadrants and apply it to real life situations, whether in counseling, group dynamics, or even in personal growth. A little background information is this: Johari window was created in 1955 by psychologists Joseph Loft and Harrington Ingram. Hence, when you combine their names, Joseph and Harrington, that's how you get Johari, okay? The combining of their first name. And its main purpose is to increase self-awareness and mutual understanding between people. It's often used in counseling, group training, and leadership development to explore how we see ourselves versus how others see us. The underlying principle is simple. The more open and self-aware we are, the more authentic and effective our relationships can be. Um, as you look at the panel of Johari Window, it's divided into four quadrants or panes, each representing a different aspect of self-awareness. One, the open area, things you know about yourselves and others also know. Two, the blind area, things others see in you, but you don't realize. Three, hidden area or the facade, things you know about yourself, but keep private from others. And unknown areas are things neither you nor others are aware of, unconscious or undiscovered aspects. So let's break this down. The open area, this is shared knowledge. For example, if you know for being organized, you are also see yourself that way, it's an open area. In counseling, expanding this area helps build trust and transparency. The blind area, this is what others notice, but you don't. Maybe your peers think you interrupt off, but you're unaware of it. Feedback is crucial here. It helps reduce blind spots. The hidden area, those are things you're holding back. Maybe you struggle with anxiety, but don't share it at work. This can protect privacy, but can also limit deep connection. Then there's the unknown area. This is the untapped potential or hidden trauma, things not yet discovered. For example, you might have a hidden talent for public speaking that neither you or others know anything about until an opportunity arises. The Johari window isn't static. There are through two key processes it changes. Self-disclosure, when you share more about yourself, you shrink the hidden area and expand the open area. And then feedback from others, when you receive constructive feedback, you shrink your blind areas and expand your open area. In counseling, your Johari window can help clients become more self-aware, reduce defensiveness, and build authentic communication. In group therapy, members may share feedback that help someone realize they have a strong leadership presence something they didn't notice before. While the Johari window is useful, it's important to consider cultural differences. In some cultures, self-disclosure may be less common, and feedback may be indirect. Counselors and leaders should adapt their approach based on cultural norms and personal boundaries. So to summarize, the Johari window is a model for self-awareness and interpersonal growth. The goal is to expand the open area through self-disclosure and feedback. It's useful in counseling, teams, and leadership, but should be applied with cultural sensitivity. I encourage you to think about your own Johari window and what's in your open area, your blind spots, and what might be in your unknown. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you later.